Welcome students to स्नेहा कोचिंग अकेडमी। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है मैथमेटिकल लॉजिक। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द डेफिनेशन ऑफ स्टेटमेंट। नाउ अ स्टेटमेंट इज डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. Statements are denoted by P, Q and R. Now, a statement is a declarative sentence. Declarative sentence means the sentence which declare something. The sentence which declare something. For example, 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number. This is declaring that 2 is a prime number. For example, sun rises in the west. You must be laughing because sun rises in the east. But this is the sentence which is declaring that sun rises in the west. Now, a statement is declarative sentence, so these two will be the statement because they are declaring something which is either true or false. Now, 2 is a prime number. This is the truth. So this is the true. Sun rises in the west. This is false. This is false statement. So a statement is declarative sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously. Like 2 is a prime number. This is true. It cannot be false. If it is true, it cannot be false. So they cannot be true or both or false simultaneously. So statements can be denoted by P, Q, R. For example, if 2 is a prime number, we can denote it as P. P colon 2 is a prime number. This will be the statement. Now let's see the truth value. Truth value of statement. Now, truth value means the statement which is telling if it is true, then its truth value will be true. For example, we have seen 2 is a prime number. This is a statement which is telling 2 is a prime number. So this is true. This is true. So its truth value will be true. That is T. It is denoted by T. Next example we have seen is sun rises in the west. Sun rises in the west. This statement is wrong because sun rises in the east. So this is false statement. So its truth value will be false, which is denoted by F. Now let's see open sentence. Now open sentence are the sentence whose truth value vary according to some conditions. According to some condition. Suppose x plus 4 is equals to 8. Now this can be true or false. If x is equals to 4, so 4 plus 4 will be 8. So for x is equals to 4, this statement will be true. If x is equals to 4, so this statement will be true. If x is equals to is not equals to 4, suppose x is 0, 1, 2, -1 or any other number. So for x not equals to 4, this statement will be false. So this is the sentence whose truth value depends on the condition whether x is equals to 4 or x is not equals to 4. So with those sentences whose truth value vary according to some conditions, they are said to be open sentence. Let's see one more example. Indian food is very tasty. Indian food is very tasty. Now it depends on some individual. It depends on individual to individual. Like there must be some person P who likes Indian food. There must be some person Q who doesn't like Indian food. So if we are talking about person P, then this statement will be truth. And if we are talking about some person Q, this will be the false. Now let's see some examples. State which of the following are statement or not. We have to find out which is the statement and which is not. If it is statement, write its truth value. If the sentence given is statement, we have to write its truth value. First, he is an actor. He is an actor. Who is he? We are not given or mention the person over here who is the actor. If there is some name, we can tell clearly whether it is statement or not. So he is not mentioned who the actor is, so we cannot tell that it is a statement or not. So this will not be a statement. Now a triangle has n sides. A triangle has n sides. Yes, a triangle has 3 sides. We know a triangle has 3 sides. So this is a statement. Yes, this is a statement. So now we have to write the truth value. If it is a statement, we have to write the truth value. So triangle has, we know triangle has 3 sides. Now here it is given n sides. So this will be the false. So our truth value will be the false. 1 is a prime number. Now 1 is a prime number. This is the statement because it is declaring that 1 is a prime number. But what will be the truth value? Is 1 a prime number? No, it is not a prime number. So its truth value will be false. Its truth value will be false. Now sum of interior angle of triangle is 180 degree. Sum of interior angles. Now this is a triangle. Its interior angles. The sum of interior angle of triangle is 180 degree. It is declaring that sum of interior angles is 180 degree. So this will be a statement and its truth value is true because we know sum of all the angles of triangle is 180 degree. So the truth value will be true. Next, please like this video. Is it a statement? No. This is not a statement because it is not declaring something. It is giving and it is some kind of request. Okay. Now, with the sunset, the day ends. With the sunset, the day ends. It is declaring the fact. Yes, this will be a statement. Now, its truth value. We know with the sunset, day ends and night begins. So, this truth value will be true. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.